morning, everyone. I'm at a little kids park here. There's a pavilion. Around here we got the little monkey bars, swing sets, slide board I've detected here. Found stuff near the top of the ground. Now I'm just coming back and see what all I've missed. I've done pretty, I go erratically when I detect. I don't go in a certain pattern. But got a hole here. It had coin signals there, and I decided to check. And you can see there on my cover here, little dirt cover I have there, placemat. There's a penny. And then if we get down in the hole and get close enough we can see it, there's a little orange rim down there. And if we get her out, looks like a dime. So I had a little coin spill here. I guess you figure it's about say 3 inches down. And I don't know if there's any more or not, so let's check her out. Alright, not getting anything, so I guess that's it. So, on to the next hole. Catch you later. I'm back. Getting about 60 something here. I'm getting a lot of chatter here. There's a lot of electrical lines around here. There's a big electrical box thing over there. Got all the wires running across over here. Man, this thing's just chattering like heck. And it's kind of getting hard to determine the signals around here. But I got one a little few inches down here, and looks like it's right here in the plug. And it should be either a dime or a penny. And it's looking to be like, it's going to be a penny. I think that's all we got. Not getting anything else. Alrighty. Catch you on the next hole. Alrighty. You guys gotta love cell phones. I mean, I'm sitting here, filling my hole in, getting my stuff put away, and get ready to get up and go look for another signal, and a phone rings. So I answer it. Sound like a friend of mine I metal detect with sometimes, and we carried on a little conversation there for about a couple minutes till we realized, oops, I wasn't the guy he was looking for. He had called the wrong number there. But anyway, I've come along down here a little ways and got another signal. It's right here in this dirt clod, and looks like we have a nice red old dime. Too bad it ain't silver. I went out yesterday, but I didn't do any taping of it. I wasn't planning on being out too long. It's kind of windy. Didn't find much, about 70 something cents worth. And I was out in the old fairground and on the backside, and decided to check back to the car as I went, and crossed the track there where they usually have the horse races, buggy races they have out there on fair day, and got a silver signal. Well, dirt was kind of hard, and I figured it was probably a can or something. I digged it, and out popped this big old round thing. And I thought, oh my God, I had a nice large cent there, but it turned out it said sterling silver on the back, but the front of it's all kind of messed up from where they graded that track and scratched it all up. It's got some writing on it. I gotta get it cleaned up yet and see if I can read it. That was a heart stopper there, because I thought I had a large cent for sure there, or a 50-cent piece or something there, or even a silver dollar. But anyway, I'll catch you on the next good hole I find. Alright, I'm back here. Got me a dime here, a few inches down. giving out pretty good signal. The chatter's kind of let up down this end of the park. I don't know if there's just a lot of metal stuff out in that other area, or just the power lines are messing up, or might have been power cords running under the ground there. But it's just a little crusty old dime. New stuff. Catch you on the next one. Right here by this old basketball court. I'm gonna try to see what I can find here. I mean, I'm not sure how old this place is. I've hunted around a little bit around it. It's been kind of wet. A lot of times when I'm here, it's the ground's so wet and puddles here or there. So not too bad today. So hopefully I can get a little more better place and get something else good. Alright, catch you later. Now here's when you tell you got a good signal, hopefully. Got nice good numbers there. Looks like a dime. Possibly. Howdy. Hi there, cuties. Got joined here with a couple little cuties there. Oh, he's a little bashful. Yep. This one wants, oh yeah. Hey there, pretty one. You're on YouTube now. You're gonna be on YouTube. Well, that other signal I had was a penny. Right there close to the top of the ground there near that basketball court. I didn't get recorded. The guy there with the dogs was here with his dogs. Want to know if I could go find a metal stake for him that he uses to tie dogs up with and ain't used in a while. So I went over there, helped him out, and found it for him. He wanted to pay me. I said, nah, you know, we do this for the fun of it, and we do this to help people. So I got back here over here to this park and got a 65 signal and found a piece of toy gun, looks like. Wish we could find the rest of it. We found it whole, would have been nice. Alrighty. Check with the next one. Now working my way back over here towards that basketball court again and coming along the outer rim here and just off from it a little bit here. Got a pretty good signal and dug down and kind of back off a little ways there. I had to dig up in there and now out popped the quarter. Let's see. Looking like one of the newer ones here. Alrighty. Catch you on the next one. Yeah, I was getting a good, nice loud signal here and getting ready to get the pinpoint it and kind of look down and move the grass out of the way here. And you can see there's a penny and a dime. Nice brand new penny and dime. And oh, that's a little coin spill there right on top of the ground. Yeah, might as well check here. Still getting get another one right off next to it here. Yeah, here we go, and there's another penny. 12 cents right here. And here we go. Still got something else there. That one might be down the ground a little bit. That must be in the grass. I moved it. There it is. Another penny. 13 cents. 13. That unlucky, or is it lucky number? For me, it looks like a lucky number. For whoever lost the money, I guess kind of unlucky. Well, it looks like that's all right there. Getting a signal over here. And right there it is. There's another dime. No, that's a nickel. There's a nickel, and I'm still getting. And looks like we got a quarter. 1966. Dang! Close. So, and now getting right there's where's my probe at? Well, it ain't showing nothing on top of the ground here. Why this ground is so hard? Well, I'm going to have to cut that out and see something down below there. Be back. Well, the other signal was a piece of can slaw. But heck, there's 25, 30, 43 cents in this one little area here. One little area here by this basketball court. Pretty good for Pocketsville. Alrighty, catch you later. Well, a little ways over here from where I was at, there I got a 70 signal. Popped out dirt a little bit. And up here in the dirt pot, there fell out a nice dirty old quarter, or well, dirty new quarter I should say. It's one of the newer ones. But looking here, I'm probably gonna get ready to go eat lunch. Take a little break. The guy over there cutting a lot over there, cutting grass in that lot. I think I might go talk to him and see if he owns that lot or who owns that lot, and maybe get permission to hunt that little lot over there. Alrighty, get back with you. As it goes, you say you're gonna do something and you hunt, and there's that next signal. Yes, a little ways over here, found another quarter. Yeah, that one's a little older. Not sure I can see a date on it or not. Squirt a little water on there. You get a little water on there, see what we got here. Yeah, that's 1992, looks like. Get a little closer here, maybe we can see it on the camera a little better. Alrighty, on to the next one. Alright, here's a little bit of a wrap up there that I did for lunch. And I got 4 quarters, 3 dimes, a nickel, and looks like 13 pennies. So that looks like that 13's coming in kind of lucky there for me. And I'm going back out here and try some more till I get time to go pick the wife up. So I got about maybe an hour hunt. So catch you when I find something. Alrighty, I'm back out here hunting this playground again, and little playground. And I found a penny a while back, a little ways back there, and I got a signal here, pretty close to the ground. I'm poking it with the pinpointer. Don't know what it is yet, but we'll pop it out and see. And thought it'd give me a quarter, but it turns out to be a penny. And look at that. That's a 1 center on the back there. That's a wheatback right here on top of the ground. Wow. See if we can get a date off of there. I think a 1940 something there, 41, 48, I can't tell. Might be able to see better with the camera here, but that's pretty good. Wheatback sitting right on top of the ground. Don't find them very often. Alright, get back with you in the next one. Alright everyone, I was getting a nice loud signal right here in the 70s. In this hole here. Right here on the edge of it. And that just popped the dirt back with my probe, and there's a quarter. One of the newer ones. Kind of like the Wright brothers are getting ready to take off here. Fly away with my quarter. Alrighty. See if there's anything else in there. And nope, nothing else. Okay, I'll get back with you and catch you on the next one. Alrighty. Got another signal here, jumpy, kind of jumpy. Like I said, that's something about this dirt here. There's thing keeps a beep 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 in 30s and 40s, jumping around, and this one was jumping between 50s and 60, high 60s, and like I said, I don't know what's going on in this area, but we got a nice little dime down in the hole there. Clean her off a little bit. I don't know if we can get a date off that or not, but it's a keeper. Alrighty. On to the next. Not getting anything else in there. Or am I? Yeah, there is something else there. Yeah, let's probe around here a little bit, see what else we can find here. Yeah, I think I see it. Yeah, I think I see it. Where'd it go? Yeah, the beloved can slaw. And some vinegar, whatever it is there you mix, and mayonnaise and stuff you mix with that. And have me coleslaw, huh? Alrighty. I think that's all there. Yeah, pat that down and mess up the grass a little bit, and nobody can tell we've been here, huh? That's the way we do it. Alright, on to the next one. I don't know how well you can hear this, but as you can see the numbers. I think just a chatting, I got it on sensitivity 7. And that's what most of all this ground around here is doing. Numbers are just jumping and just chirping. There must be some metal in this ground, or chewed up metal or something. It only does it here in this front part of the lawn, unless it's electrical wires maybe running underneath the ground. That just, man, driving me nuts here. The headphones on. Okay. Yeah, that's about the only way I got to go and tell them I got a good signals. When it's doing that, pretty well I know I got a good signal. Like I said, I got the sensitivity on 7, but I found if I turn it down a lot lower than 6, then I lose all depth, pretty much. So I'll dig this and see what it is and get back with you if it's anything good. It looks like that's my last dig for the day. And I found this, I guess diode, whatever you want to call it, looking thing. It's bronze hobby, and I've got some serial numbers on there. Black tape, it looks like. I don't know what that was for. But got a couple things on top there we hooked the wires at, but might be battery or diode, but it'll go in my scrap. And that looks like that'll be all for today. Gotta go pick up the wife. So have a wrap up and then put this on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Happy hunting. Alrighty, this is my wrap up for today and yesterday's finds. Down here I got the nickel, and then 4 dimes, and 5 quarters that I found today, and then 12 pennies. And earlier I did say on that one little wrap up I had 13 pennies, but it was only 11. But I'll make a correction on that, try to on as I post it. And here's that wheatback, 1948D. I count that separately. I mean, I know it's not probably worth much, but to me it's like a silver. You find silver, it's, you know, old and really good. Then yesterday I went for a little bit, didn't tape it, but there's a quarter and 4 dimes and 7 pennies I found in a zipper pull. And then I told earlier on video that I found this silver thing
Hello.
here, and it's got sterling silver right there on.
Give him a minute.
The
he's taping.
Back of it, but on the front here, it's got this weird design, but we can't make out what it is. Like I said, I think the grader kind of scratched it all up. But that's it for right now. Have a nice weekend and happy hunting. Catch you later.